Colors. Colors are everywhere around us. They make the world bright and beautiful. Every day, we see many different colors, from the blue sky to the green grass. Colors make life more interesting and help us understand the world better. One of the most basic colors is red. Red is a very strong and bold color. We often see red in many places. For example, stop signs are red, and so are traffic lights when we need to stop. Red is also the color of some fruits like apples and strawberries. Red can also show strong emotions like love or anger. On Valentine's Day, we often see red hearts. But when someone is very angry, their face may turn red. Blue is another important color. The sky and the ocean are blue. Blue is a calm and peaceful color. It makes people feel relaxed. Many people like to wear blue clothes because it is a soft and comfortable color. Some people also paint their rooms blue to make them feel calm. Blue is also the color of many important things like clean water and some birds like blue jays. In nature, blue is often a sign of something pure and refreshing. Yellow is the color of sunshine. It is bright and cheerful. When we see yellow, it makes us think of warm days and happy feelings. Yellow flowers, like sunflowers, are bright and full of life. Bananas are also yellow, and they're a favorite fruit for many people. Yellow is a color that brings joy and energy. We often see yellow in warning signs because it catches our attention quickly. Green is the color of nature. When we think of green, we think of trees, plants, and grass. Green is a very peaceful and refreshing color. It reminds us of growth and life. Many people feel relaxed when they're surrounded by green. This is why parks and gardens are so popular. They are full of green plants that help us feel calm. Green is also the color of many vegetables, like spinach and broccoli, which are healthy for us. White is a simple and clean color. It reminds us of purity and innocence. Snow is white, and so are many flowers like lilies. White is also used in weddings because it represents new beginnings and happiness. Many people choose to wear white clothes in the summer because it is a light and cool color. White is often used in hospitals and doctors' offices because it makes things look clean and safe. Black is a strong and serious color. It is often used to show power or elegance. Many people wear black clothes for formal events because it looks smart and professional. Black can also be mysterious. When the sky is black at night, it feels calm but also a little unknown. Black is also a color that we see in many animals, like black cats or crows. Some people think black is a sad color, but it can also be very beautiful. Orange is a bright and lively color. It is a mix of red and yellow. Orange reminds us of fall when the leaves change color. Pumpkins are orange, and so are many fruits like oranges and mangoes. Orange is a color that shows energy and fun. We often see orange in sports uniforms and safety gear because it is easy to see. Orange is also used in art to make things look more exciting and colorful. Purple is a color that is often linked to royalty and luxury. Long ago, only kings and queens wore purple because it was a rare color to make. Today, purple is still a special color. It is used to show creativity and imagination. Purple flowers, like lavender, are very beautiful and have a calming smell. Some people like to decorate their homes with purple because it makes things look rich and unique. Pink is a soft and gentle color. It is often seen as a sweet and loving color. Many people use pink to show kindness and care. Pink flowers, like roses, are often given as gifts to show love. Pink is also a popular color for children's clothes and toys because it feels happy and innocent. In art, pink is used to create a warm and comforting feeling. Brown is the color of the earth. It reminds us of the ground, trees, and wood. Brown is a natural and warm color. Many homes have brown furniture because it makes rooms feel cozy and welcoming. Brown is also the color of many delicious foods, like chocolate and coffee. In nature, brown is often a sign of stability and strength. Trees with brown bark stand tall and strong. Gray is a neutral color. It is a mix of black and white. Gray is often seen as a calm and balanced color. It is not too bright and not too dark. Many people like to wear gray because it is simple and goes well with other colors. Gray clouds in the sky can mean that it will rain soon. While gray may not be as exciting as other colors, it is an important part of many designs and styles. Colors also have different meanings in different cultures. For example, in some countries, white is worn at weddings, while in other countries, white is worn at funerals. In some cultures, red is seen as a lucky color and is used during celebrations. Colors can represent different feelings, ideas, and traditions depending on where we are in the world. Artists use colors to express their feelings. Painters choose different colors to create moods in their artwork. Bright colors like red, yellow, and orange can show happiness and energy. Dark colors like black, gray, and brown can show sadness or seriousness. Colors in art help tell a story without using words. This is why artists spend a lot of time choosing the right colors for their work. In fashion, colors are also very important. The clothes we wear often reflect our mood or personality. Some people like to wear bright colors to stand out, while others prefer neutral colors to keep things simple. Fashion designers use colors to create styles that are new and exciting. The color of clothes can also change with the seasons. For example, people often wear lighter colors in the summer and darker colors in the winter. Colors are also important in nature. Animals use colors to protect themselves or to attract mates. For example, some animals have bright colors to warn predators that they are dangerous. Other animals use colors to blend into their surroundings so they can hide from danger. Flowers use bright colors to attract bees and other insects for pollination. In nature, colors are a way for plants and animals to communicate. In conclusion, colors are a big part of our lives. They make the world more beautiful and help us understand things better. Each color has its own meaning and feeling. Whether it's in nature, art, or fashion, colors play an important role in how we see the world. I enjoy learning about colors and seeing how they affect everything around us.